Making $1 million in just 3 months using ChatGPT may seem ambitious, but with the right strategy, it's entirely possible. One of the fastest ways to generate significant income is by offering high-ticket consulting services. Identify your niche. Focus on industries like marketing, sales, or customer service automation. Charge $10,000 to $50,000 per engagement. Digital products such as ebooks and online courses can scale rapidly. Once created, they can be sold to an endless stream of customers. Identify a profitable niche and create the product using ChatGPT for content creation. Starting an agency that uses ChatGPT can scale your business. Offer services to automate operations using AI. Offer niche services like email marketing and content creation. Charge $10,000 to $50,000 per month for high-ticket clients. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture. Create content to promote high-ticket affiliate products. Focus on high-commission products and create SEO-optimized content to drive traffic. Building a SaaS product can be a game changer. ChatGPT can help automate customer service and content creation. Identify a problem and develop the product using ChatGPT. Launch with subscription models. Paid advertising can generate traffic and sales. Use ChatGPT to automate ad copy and landing pages. Making $1 million in 3 months using ChatGPT is ambitious, but achievable with focus and strategy.